I'm Hugh, and today we're going to learn about all the sounds of the world. In the world around us, we can hear lots of different sounds. These sounds can be high and low. High sounds are things like an alarm clock ringing, a whistle blowing, or a cat meowing. And low sounds are things like a ship's horn, a cow mooing, or a deep voice singing.
Doop doop doo.
But did you know that we can make high sounds and low sounds with our own voice? Let's travel from high to low using our voices, just like traveling all the way down a hill. Here we go. I'll go first, then you try. Your turn! Good job! That was a long way down. Now, let's travel back up the hill, going from down low to up high. I'll go first, then you try. Your turn! Wow, great job guys! Now, instead of traveling up the hill, we're going to use our staircase to step from all the low sounds all the way to the high sounds. This staircase is called Solfa. Can everyone say Solfa, Solfa, Solfa? Go!
Solfa, solfa, solfa.
Well done! If we learn the first 3 steps of our Solfa staircase, we'll earn a golden Solfa star. Let's do it! To take the first step on our Solfa staircase, first we hold our hands out and make fists. Now bring your fist down to your belly button. This sounds like do. Your turn.
Do.
Great job. Let's practice that with activity time. Okay, everyone stand up. Very good. And shake out, shake out, shake out. Now, put your hands by your sides. And on the count of 3, I want you to show me do. 3, 2, 1, do. Brilliant. Now, put your hands on your head. And on the count of 3, give me a do. 3, 2, 1, do. Now, put your hands on your shoulders. And on the count of 3, give me a do. 3, 2, 1, do. Good. Now we're going to sing do. Ready? Hands on your hips. 3, 2, 1, do. Well done. Now put your hands around yourself as if you're giving yourself a big hug. And on the count of 3, sing do. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, do. Well done. Now put your hands behind your back. And on the count of 3, sing do. 3, 2, 1, do. Good job everyone. We've taken the first and most important step on our Solfa staircase. For our second step on the staircase, we just open up our fists like a karate chop and sing Ray. Now you try. Ready? Go.
Ray.
Great job. Okay, now let's try changing from do to Ray. It's activity time again. Woo! First, let's try the hand signals for do and Ray. I'll do the hand signal first and I want you to copy me. Ready? Here we go. Do, do, do.
Do, do, do.
Well done. Do, do, Re, 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 do.
Re, 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 do.
Do, do, re.
Do, do, re.
Re, re, do.
Re, re, do.
Do, re, re.
Do, re, re.
Do, re, do.
Do, re, do.
Do, do, re, re, re. Re, 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 do. Do, do, re, re, re. Re, 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 do, do. Great job, everyone. We remember ray because it sounds like a ray of sunshine. The third note on our staircase is mi, which looks like this. It's almost the same as ray, but we make our hands flat. I'll go first. Mi. Now you try. Go.
Me.
Good job. Okay, it's activity time again. Let's go. Let's try doing the hand signals for our 3 steps. Do, re, and mi. When I shout them out, you copy them. Ready? Here we go. Do, re, mi. Here we go.
Do, re, mi.
Well done. Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, do.
Well done. Mi, re, re.
Mi, re, re.
Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, do.
Re, re, do, do, mi.
Re, re, do, do, mi.
Re, re, mi, mi, do.
Re, re, mi, mi, do.
Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, re. Do, re, mi. Mi, re, do. Do, do, re, re, mi, mi. Mi, mi, do, do, re. Do, do, mi, mi, re. Do, do, mi, mi, do, do. Great job, everyone! We remember me because it's the word I use to describe myself. Me! Well done, everyone! We've completed our first 3 steps, which means we've earned our first Golden Solfa Star! What a great achievement! Students, give yourselves a pat on the back! Teacher, give yourself a pat on the back! Now, why don't you spend some time with your teacher working on all these exercises on the worksheets? They'll really help you remember our first 3 Solfa steps. And in the next video, we'll continue our way up our Solfa staircase. Bye for now, everyone! We're here at the Irish Institute of Music and Song campus in Balbriggan, County Dublin. Groups visit us from all over Ireland and the world to take part in our music programs. If you like what we do, you can find out more information at our website down below.